Welcome to the channel. In this video, we're diving into the world of hidden treasures as we explore the four most expensive and ultra-rare U.S. coins, including the Susan B. Anthony Silver Dollar, the Sacagawea Gold Dollar, and the Jefferson Nickel with a rare P-mint mark. Even in dirty or worn condition, these seemingly ordinary coins could be worth thousands or even millions of dollars today. So before you spend that old coin, stick around, because you might just be holding a fortune in your hands. First up, the 2009 D1 cent coin from the United States stands in a category of its own because it represents one of the most historic moments in modern American coinage's celebration of Abraham Lincoln's bicentennial. While most regular pennies are forgotten as quickly as they leave someone's hand, the 2009 D stands out due to its special designs, its limited production compared to other years, and the emotional weight of the story it carries. These coins were struck not just as currency, but as a tribute to a journey. Lincoln's early childhood, his formative years, his rise as a self-made leader, and finally his presidency that reshaped the nation. Because of this, collectors see the 2009 D penny not merely as copper-coated metal, but as a symbol of history, transformation, and national memory. When these coins appear in worn or dirty condition, they still attract attention, because beneath the dust, the story remains untouched, and the value for collectors lies in the legacy the coin represents. For many new collectors, rumors circulate that any 2009 D cent with unusual marks, gold stickers, or old discoloration can turn someone into an overnight millionaire. The idea comes from viral trading videos and myths circulating in the collector community. While such claims are exaggerated, they also highlight the public fascination with rare pennies. The truth is that 2009 D pennies can indeed become valuable, but only under specific conditions such as extremely high-grade mint condition, special era varieties, or coins preserved so perfectly that they appear almost untouched by time. A dirty or circulated coin generally does not reach high value, but what it does carry is a possibility that it might hide an Auroran off-center strike, a double die, a planchet problem, or a misalignment that a trained eye could spot. This possibility alone gives ordinary-looking 2009 D cent a mysterious aura, making collectors inspect them closely like treasure hunters searching for a gem hidden in plain sight. The most powerful thing about the 2009 D penny is the story behind the different designs issued that year. 4 unique reverses were created, each showing a stage from Lincoln's life. The Denver Mint produced millions of these coins, but collectors often focus on the rarer high-grade examples. The birthplace design shows Lincoln's humble cabin beginnings, a reminder that greatness often rises from scarcity. The Formative Years design carries the image of a young Lincoln reading by a log, symbolizing the value of knowledge in a world of hardship. The Professional Life design honors his time as a lawyer and statesman in Illinois, capturing the moment he stepped into leadership. And the Presidency design marks his years in the White House, where he carried the weight of a nation in conflict. This 4-part visual biography embedded in everyday currency makes the 2009 series unforgettable among coin collectors. In trading circles, the 2009 D penny is often discussed with the same excitement that rare coins inspire because it exists as a gateway coin, simple enough for beginners to find, yet rich enough in design, history, and potential variation to capture the attention of professionals. A coin with a minor error or an unusually strong strike can instantly rise in desirability. A flawless piece graded by a respected grading service can bring much more than face value. And even a circulated coin can serve as a key piece in completing a full Lincoln bicentennial set, giving a secure place in the world of collectors. This is why people guard their 2009 D cents instead of spending them casually. The coin may not be a magic ticket to overnight millions, but its historical weight, collector demand, and artistic significance give a value far beyond 1 cent. The truth is simple yet powerful. The 2009 D penny has a kind of charm that turns ordinary collectors into passionate seekers. It carries the legacy of Lincoln, the craftsmanship of a commemorative issue, and the thrill of discovering something special. Whether dusty, shiny, circulated, or preserved, each one tells a story that the market continues to respect. That is where its real power lies, not in midst of unbelievable riches, but in the enduring pull of history, identity, and American heritage struck onto a small copper disc that refuses to be forgotten.